Good shot. Okay, he's dead. Let's go get him. That's another one for the fire.
Tonight I'll be reviewing something that I saw at Dollar Tree. And this is a knockoff or just a lesser known version of Legos. It's called Naked Blocks Zombie. They're zombies. So I saw this and I thought at first it was like one of those little packs where you just get one figure. But here it says includes one fighter. At first I thought it said includes one figure, but with 2 zombies. So that piqued my interest, and I figured I'll give it a shot, check it out. So the back here says compatible, fits all leading brands. So you can use this with Lego, and I believe there's another pretty successful Lego building type of toy, but I forget what it is. Now that I'm looking at the package, I thought I was just going to open and review them, but I see 34 pieces, so I guess I have to assemble this. But if I have to assemble it, I put together this nice little area here, so I can have some fun while doing it. I got a piece of artwork I'm working on right now. Kind of looks like fall time. Got the whole setting here. Very feng shui. So I'm going to open this package, see what they look like, the pieces, and then put it together. So within the package, there's 3 little packages. So there really is the 3 figures, which is super cool. I'm really impressed by that. It's got little stickers to put on their chest. I mean, this looks fun. Actually, one of those times where it's fun to put stuff together. So you have this, I think, is the graveyard, typical graveyard zombie. I think this is the fighter here. And the construction zombie in this one. So here are the 2 zombies and the fighter fully assembled. I put these guys together in a matter of minutes. It was that easy. And they were, I mean, look how cool they are. I won't go into super detail because they're so small and they're pretty hard to hold, but they're very articulate. Their head swivel really good because they're on a ball joint. Their legs move up and down, and their arms, the shoulder rotates like a ball joint. And it also has the little forearm claws. They rotate 360. Let's go over each one. Oh, and you can interchange parts. So, for example, you can put black pants. They both have black pants. You can put black pants on the construction zombie, and you know where I'm going with this. Also, the fighter's gun. It's like an M16. It's really detailed. So, I mean, these are a great little value there at Dollar Tree for only $1 for 3 little figures that are super cool. And you get to put them together too, so it can occupy your kids maybe in the back of the car while you're going to the orchard or something. So the first zombie is like a graveyard type of zombie. And he has an awesome green, skin and, in stages of decomposition. He has a graveyard shovel. And, there's stickers for their chest. They just go on really easily. But how cool is this? There's actually blood in his mouth on his shirt. And check this out. Let's go to the fighter next. he has blood on his face, like actual blood splatter. That is so cool. So this is hardcore, and I like that they called him a fighter and not a survivor. That sounds weak, survivor. Fighter's way more cool. Now the construction zombie, he has a wrench as a weapon. He has a hard hat. He's more of, well, his face is really cool. It's like a goofy type of look. And actually, you can see a rip in his stomach. It's in his intestines, I guess. Here's just a scale comparison. That's a 3 3/4 inch Boba Fett figure. And you can see how big they are. They fit, I guess, most leading brands, as the package says, so I guess they can fit onto Lego blocks, but I don't know if they're the same scale as Lego figures. There, hold hand Boba Fett. Gracias. So that pretty much wraps it up for this. I hope you enjoyed. If you're like into these kind of goofy toys, little zombies, go out there in Dollar Tree and see if they still have them, because I found them by accident. I don't think they were even in a toy aisle. They were just like thrown in with like plastic dishware.
Send the wagon through directly ahead. Over.
Yeah, why would you make that?
Go more quickly. Motorcycle, please. Let's go back there.
Hey, Randy, light these torches over here.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.